In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen timeout on Windows 11, updated 2026 guide. If your display keeps turning off too quickly, or it stays on longer than you'd like, tweaking the screen timeout can make your PC feel far more comfortable to use. Screen timeout controls how long your display stays on when you're not actively using the mouse or keyboard, and related sleep settings determine when the whole device goes into a low-power state. Adjusting both can help you save battery on a laptop, reduce distractions, or keep your screen awake during longer tasks. Let's start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is with a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key and the letter I together. That takes you straight into Settings, no searching required. On the left side of the Settings window, click System. This is where Windows groups essential device options like Display, Sound, Notifications, and Power. Within System, select Power and Battery. This page focuses on how your device manages energy, including charging behavior and how aggressively it conserves power. Now find the section labeled Screen and Sleep and expand it if it's collapsed. Here you'll see a set of drop-down menus for two categories: Screen, which controls when the display turns off, and Sleep, which controls when the PC itself goes to sleep. Each category usually appears twice, once for when you're on battery power and once for when you're plugged in. That gives you the flexibility to be conservative on battery and more relaxed when connected to power. Choose the timeouts that fit your routine. For example, you might keep the screen on for 5 or 10 minutes on battery to save energy and extend it to 15 or 20 minutes when plugged in. If you prefer the display to stay on indefinitely during presentations or long reading sessions, you can choose Never for the Screen Timeout. Just remember that longer timeouts on battery will drain power more quickly, and very short timeouts can interrupt your flow if you pause often. For sleep, set a slightly longer duration than your screen timeout, so the display turns off first, and the device only goes to sleep later if you remain inactive. When you're done, simply close the settings window. There's no save button here. Your changes apply immediately, and Windows will follow your new timeouts automatically. That's it. With these quick adjustments, you've tailored screen and sleep behavior to match how you actually use your PC, balancing convenience, battery life, and security. If wording or layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. On recent Windows 11 updates, these options remain under System, then Power and Battery, within Screen and Sleep.